How to fix NVIDIA app unable to retrieve current values. Open the NVIDIA app and close it completely, then open it again to refresh the program. Restart your computer so the graphics services can reload properly. Run the NVIDIA app as administrator so it can access system information correctly. Check Device Manager and confirm the NVIDIA graphics card is enabled and working normally. Update the NVIDIA graphics driver to the latest version from the official NVIDIA website. Open Windows Services and restart NVIDIA Display Container Service so GPU data can refresh. Install the latest Windows updates to make sure the system works correctly with the graphics driver. Clear temporary cache files from the NVIDIA folder inside the App Data directory. Reinstall the NVIDIA app if the program files are corrupted or missing. Restart the computer again and open the NVIDIA app to see if the current values load properly. Thank you for watching.